Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with one sheet of a 4 or letter paper. Heavier stock works best because it keeps the blade shape. Fold the sheet in half lengthwise, crease firmly, then open. This establishes the center line. Once done, make a diagonal fold from the top corner to the center line, aligning edges precisely. This creates the first blade layer. Make sure to press each crease with your fingernail. Accurate folds reduce bulk later and let the paper lock cleanly into the sword profile. Now you build the blade core by folding repeated triangular layers along that diagonal. You want a tight spine of roughly 6 to 8 layers for stiffness. Once you have the layered strip, tuck small tabs into pockets to lock each layer. Stagger those seam tucks so they do not align, which would create a weak line. After locked, thin the tip by folding narrow pleats about 0.5 cm or trimming a sliver. This creates a tapered cutting edge while keeping the core stable. Attach a handle by wrapping remaining paper into a snug tube around the blade base. Wrap 3 to 4 layers and finish with a 2 cm flap tucked inside to stop sliding. Make a guard from folded cardstock or an extra folded section, then slot it onto the blade and lock with a small tuck or a dab of glue. This prevents rotation and protects your hand. Finally, reinforce weak seams with minimal tape or a light varnish for moisture resistance. If the tip splits, retuck layers and add a thin outer wrap.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.